Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to fix a hamburger, a cheeseburger. Now I've been seeing this cheeseburger on TV and it's been looking so good and it's a little bit different than anything I've fixed, so I thought, well, I'd like to have one of those myself, so I'm going to try to fix one of them. And the ingredients we're going to need for this is I've got this pound of ground beef here, and this was about £1.25 of ground beef. And this happens to be 93% lean, it's only 7% fat supposedly. And I'm going to put some mustard on it, and mayonnaise on it, lettuce, cheese. Gotta have your garlic bread, of course, and this big red onion. So now let me clear all this stuff away and we'll get started on it. Okay, I'm going to get me a couple pieces of this burger here, where I can make about £2/4 pound pieces. Although I don't want them too big though, because this is going to be a double decker, so let's try to get them more or less even. About like that, that looks about even. Use these. Oh, a little tip on this: when you get ready to put stuff in your plastic bags like this, if you'll turn the cup over like this and we'll make a cup, turn it over and make a cup, and that way you're not getting the edge of your bag contaminated where you're going to be using it. And I'll turn these back up like this. And now they don't have all that good old burger juice on them. I'll just lay them over like this. And stick them in there just like that and zip it up. Put them in the fridge for right now. Sure, later on I'll be freezing it. Now really my goal here is to get two patties about the same size, no matter what size they are. I want them both to be about the same size. So anyway, let me get out and clean my hands again. Put a little salt on them here. A little pepper. Now, see if I can make me a couple patties here. And it don't hurt to go ahead and tap all that salt and pepper up on it like that. See if both these are about the same size. You know what, and just for the heck of it, I haven't used any of it for a long time. I'm going to get out some of this Montreal steak grill mates here. I want to spread a little bit of it on there. Now you can't use this as everybody, because everybody's stomach can't take it, so I found out. Sure, it surprised me as long as I've been eating it. Like that. So I don't put it on everybody's food unless they say, "Hey, you got any grill mates, Montreal steak in there?" And I say, "Oh, let me look and see." So if I say that, then I'll put some in. So now. Get these all mashed up here. Now they look like they're going to be about the same size, don't they? Get as many of these good ingredients here as we can. Well, let's flatten them out a little bit. Now like I say, this is going to be a double decker burger. So I'll make them pretty flat. There's no use in making one so big that you can't get it in your mouth when you get ready to eat it. I mean, this right here is going to be tough enough, as flat as you get them, like that. Warm it up a little bit better. Try to make sure it's even. All right, now, the next thing we're going to do, I bet you already know. We're going to pick them up and bring them over here to this Ninja FOODi. Now, I'll set them right down in here, like that. Take the other one, put him right beside him, like that. Now they're both in there real good. Let's see if I can get you so you can see it here. There you go. Now, we'll go ahead and get these to go in here and we'll shut the lid. We'll turn on the power. And I'm going to hit the air crisp button. We'll leave it on 390 and we'll leave it at 15 minutes and we'll hit the start button. Now, be checking back on these periodically, in a few minutes here. We'll take a look at them, see if they need turning over or what they need. So we'll be back. Okay, now while that's starting to cook, we'll go ahead and slice this onion a little bit. Okay, now we'll get me a couple pieces of lettuce off here. Okay, now we're going to take this onion and this lettuce here and put it back in the fridge for later use. Nothing to go to waste here. Okay, now I know you think I forgot, but I didn't. I got me a tomato here and we'll rinse it off a little bit. We'll cut the ends off here. Slice me off a couple pieces of it. Now you know all this is not going to go on one sandwich, don't you? We'll see. There you go. Now I got me a couple of slices off that tomato. Or that tomato. Is it tomato or tomato? Is it a fruit or a veggie? Okay, now I'm going to take my 2 pieces of garlic bread here and put them in this Cuisinart convection toaster oven. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Try to get out of the way as much as I can. Turn on here, I've got it on convection and I've got it up to toaster, and I'm going to put it on 10 minutes. Well, we'll put it on 15 minutes. I never let it run out because I always have to stop it before it runs out because it's done. So you just have to keep an eye on it. In the meantime, back over here at this Ninja FOODi, it's only been cooking for 8.5 minutes and these are done. So it'll be time to take them out as soon as the bread gets done. Okay, now that's plenty done enough for me on this on this garlic bread here. And Kay likes hers a little darker than that, but that's about good for me right there. Well, I'll put that piece over there like that. Now we'll come over here and start getting some fixing on it. Right, now the first thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of, I can't believe this is not butter, and spray on this top of this piece of bread right here. Then First thing we'll do is get me a little mayo. Put it on there like that. Just like that. And now, I'm going to take one of these patties, put right on there. Like that. And then, I'm going to take and put a piece of this American cheese on top of it right there. Funny thing, I had this visitor from Texas, and I was fixing her a burger. And I put an American cheese on it like this. And she says, "Where's my burger?" And I said, "That's it right there." And she says, "You only got one piece of cheese on it?" I said, "Yeah." And she said, "Well, you got to have at least two pieces, and preferably a piece of Swiss and a piece of American." So, I've got me some Swiss cheese going here today, because I don't want to get in trouble if anybody comes in and wants a piece of Swiss on there. So now, I'll tell you what, now it's starting to look pretty good right now, isn't it? Now we're going to put a piece of Swiss on here, just for Texas. I'm going to put a piece of tomato, a piece of this red onion. Can y'all see all this? Now a piece of this lettuce. Tell y'all what, now this is looking pretty good. It's looking real good. Now, we'll get this other piece of garlic bread over here. Bring it over here. I'm going to take the can't believe it's not butter. I like this little pump up spray bottle. That's pretty neat for butter. Just put some more on there like that. Now we'll put some mayo right on top of it again if I can find my knife. There it is. Well, how many calories do you reckon this thing's got? About 5 or 10? Do it just like that. Now I'm going to put me a little bit more salt and pepper on it here. Just like that. Now we'll put this top on. Try to put this top on. We'll push down on it like that. You don't push down on it much. Hey, you don't push down on that much at all. Let me get this thing over here so y'all can see it good. I can't hardly pick it up. Okay, now I want you to go one of these fast food places and get that burger. Now, as they say, theirs is a double-decker just like that. Well, I want you to go find me one and show it to me. Okay, folks, that's about it for this little video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I'm going to try to take a bite of this thing. But I don't know. I might have to cut it in two. Let's see. The young lady from Texas is right. It's better with a couple of pieces of cheese on there, especially that Swiss sort of sets it off. So don't forget that when you build yours. Make sure you got you a piece of Swiss cheese to go in there with another kind of cheese. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you can, join our channel and give me a thumbs up. I sure would appreciate it. And go down and check out our links below. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Come back and see us real soon. Goodbye.